Welcome to Good Wheels, a family-owned and operated dealership serving the South Jersey area since 1988. We have what you are looking for.
Check out this pre-owned 2006 GMC Sierra 1500. This two-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 4.3-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 101,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include automatic climate control, anti-lock brakes, and power steering. Call us today at 881-3557 to set up a time to look at this vehicle.